Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Chishimba Shellah, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking this video to watch. And please like this video and comment down below what you think about it. I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail by now and you know what we're going to be doing today. I'm really excited, honestly. I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect, but yeah. Before we get into my day, I would just like to say that I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't vlogged in a very long while, and I've been up to some stuff that I should have vlogged. So I was in somebody's video, somebody's project, and I'm going to link it in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out. I also did an interview on Mayse TV that you guys should check out. I'm going to leave the link down below for both the videos that I was in, so you guys can go watch. So this is what I'm wearing. Just a skirt, a crop jumper, and I have a backpack and some sandals. I'm going to show you later. I'm heading to pick my friend up. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing later, like properly. Ooh! How are you feeling about it? Are you ready?
I'm panicking already. I think I'll bail on you.
So just to put everything into perspective now before we get to the place, there are two types of cupping. For those people who don't know what cupping is a what? It's a deep tissue massage. Deep tissue therapy massage type of thing. That includes, not all the time, please. Okay, they're different, but it's used like they use cups, basically suction. So now there are two types of cupping. There's the dry one and the wet one, but the wet one has more benefits. So the wet one is the one where there's blood involved. You have to bleed a little. Then the dry one, there's no bleeding, but it has less effects. So I'm going to do the wet cupping because I'm fearless. And then madam here
I'm bailing. I'm not bailing.
Okay, it looks like she's about to change her mind, but yeah. If she changes her mind, then I'll just do it alone and I'll tell you my experience.
And I will support you. Because
see this one, eh? We have been planning. I've been planning it for over a week. If she does decide to do it, then she'll do it first. Then I'll do it after. But I might not record her process because obviously she might not feel comfortable showing her back. But I'm ready. So my friend, this is a by the way thing. My friend had a baby recently and she traveled, so I have to take care of the baby. So the baby is back home because of COVID. You know, babies can't get like the COVID vaccine. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I have to rush home because I left the baby back home. But the baby was sleeping.
you make it.
The baby was sleeping, but I left the baby back home like just for a bit. So I will need to rush back home.
Baby.
Yeah, you guys will see the baby when I get home. But yeah, you guys know who it is. She's been on this channel a couple of times. Yeah, she had a baby recently, but something urgent came up and she had to leave the city, so she had to leave the baby. Why are you laughing? I'm a boy. Okay,
One is stuck. Oh my god. Is it painful? Yes. Oh no.
So this is what the price list looks like, and cupping is 20 kwai only. I'm going to leave the WeChat ID of the owner of the place down below. Okay, so that was a really fast process, but now we have to go and eat, and on my way there I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel about the whole thing. But for now I just need to get into a cab. I feel drained. I feel like someone just sucks my energy, so we have to go eat.
新码头呢？
新码头，蛋糕新有。Okay, so now about how I feel about my butt can't touch the chair. It can't.
Imagine now what I need.
It looks like we're not batting for a few days. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. But my opinion. Let me start from the beginning. Yeah. So when they're putting the cups, it hurts. It really hurts. I just couldn't scream because I can't be embarrassing myself on YouTube. But it really hurts. But after putting all the cups and the moment where they let you just be there for a few minutes, like 20 minutes or something, it actually doesn't feel like pain. It feels like someone is just scratching you, you know, like it's itching, like your back is itching. And then you actually feel really numb. I actually feel like it does work, honestly, because like you feel like you're really numb and like you're so relaxed. Even though the pain it took to get to that relaxed stage is not worth it. But I actually feel like it actually does work. Now we'll see how exactly it progresses over the next few days. I'm going to insert some clips. But for now, I don't know. I actually feel okay, but then I feel tense on one side. Like I feel like I needed it. This one chickened out.
I'm so scared.
But now that she's seen, I tried so hard not to scream, so now I think I've encouraged her. So next time I think she's actually going to do it.
Scream.
But I don't think it's something that I'll do often. So somebody out there is now wondering, like, why would you do this to yourself? So there are benefits to like cupping, the whole cupping thing. It has benefits. It can help you with asthma. It can help you with depression. It's a massage therapy, basically. Oh, it actually has a lot of benefits, e.g. just like to read. A lot of them. It's just that it's not something that you're going to notice like there and then, like you're going to see the changes there and then, but I actually do feel more relaxed. I feel, even though that one part is feeling tense, I feel like she didn't put a cup here. The part that's feeling tense is the part where she didn't put a cup. But the rest of the parts feel like, you know. But yeah, overall, just try it for yourself, honestly. You can't, because I didn't scream doesn't mean that you won't scream. I'll just hold it in because I'm going to embarrass myself and my ancestors. But yeah, if you have something else you want me to try, put it down below. Lest I forget, you guys know Favour actually from my last video and from like some of my vlogs. You have seen her, so I didn't feel like I needed to introduce her. But for those who are new here, this is Favour, and you're going to see more of her because she's a part of my life.
Yeah, you can't live without me.
I'm back, and this is the baby, you guys, and that I was rushing for. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, like, and comment what you think about it. Would you be able to do it? Would you not? Have you done it? What was your experience like? And I'm going to also take pictures over the course of 2 days just to show you guys how exactly it looks on day 2 and day 3. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.